I take it with me everywhere. But you know, I'm out here. But some people give me 20s and shit on the freeway. I don't want them to see me the next day and I ain't got something else. With that money they gave me is guilt money. A guy gave me $100 in the gas station. I took that $100 and ran after him and said, man, you just gave me a $100 bill. You know what he told me? Nigga, I just asked God if I did the right thing. It's because you brought it to me. Goodbye. You did something for me. And I remembered and I came up. And I made $100 at the gas station because of that. Why? Because you don't have to take something from somebody. And people will give it to you. But it's got to be sincere. I'm still the same way I was when I was a little boy. My mother's a Jehovah's Witness. I don't knock her for that. The only thing I knock was I go through Apollo mission because I'm a demon when I come out here and I come back in. Yet they don't understand. They're in the house. They asked me to do a quit claim to take a loan against the house because the house was $40,000.
Say that again. You a dummy, huh?
I need a lawyer because I'm going to put a lien against their house.
But you say you a dummy, but you learn a lot from a dummy.
I guess, because you crash with them, they put dummies in crash cars. You can learn a lot from a dummy, because I'm not a dummy. I'm nicknamed Genius. She don't even know the person I was working for. When I put my buddy in there, I told him how we could put uniforms on Crenshaw carpet. I found keys to the shop, and I Wheel of Fortune was around. After that, I told it to him, but I got the carpets. I was doing this for my family. I took carpet out that you look for. It's too expensive. What do you want? And used his father's truck. We opened the store in the morning. The police would come through and see us in them uniforms. There wasn't no alarm went off and pass right by and say, have a good day. And we were robbing the place. And that was me as a kid. I was a genius, but we needed the money because my dad didn't need some because I was looking at his bills in the closet. See, I was always looking at your bills. Of course, every now and then I took more than 50 cents out your pocket because I wanted ice cream today and I thought I deserved one because you take all my money. I tell you, I got $20. You want the $20. I should have told you like all the rest of the kids, $10. I had to share all mine. I found $20 and we had 5 kids at that time. We have 8. 5 kids. My mother would not let me keep it to buy my gasoline. She said, you're going to share it. She made me give us 3 big ones $5 and $2.50 apiece for the other 2. I could never have nothing alone. She would never not let me share because I was too smart and too much to be a devil. God can be good, but he can be cruel too because he makes somebody else try to I could be somebody that cured cancer. If you keep listening